Many ex-employees and business owners ask us, is my non-compete agreement enforceable under Virginia law? Unfortunately, the answer to this question is usually qualified with the word probably. The reason is that in Virginia, there is no bright line rule to establish when a non-compete agreement is enforceable. In each case, the court will evaluate the specific restriction in question, taking into consideration the type of work that is restricted, the nature of the employer's business, the length of the non-compete period, the geographic scope of the restriction, and the employee's ability to earn a livelihood. Generally speaking, a non-compete agreement has to be very narrowly tailored to protect the employer's business, or it will not be enforced by a Virginia court. That said, many employers will deter competitive employment by simply threatening to file suit to enforce these agreements, even if the likelihood of success is uncertain. This type of litigation can be very expensive for employees, as Virginia courts require evidentiary hearings before deciding these cases. In addition, we find that new employers are very hesitant to offer work to individuals once they know that a non-compete agreement exists, as they too can be sued by the former employer. What this means for employees is that when you sign a non-compete agreement in Virginia, you need to understand that it will limit your options when your employment terminates. What this means for employers is that non-compete agreements can be a very effective tool to protect your business from competition. Of course, every employer should strive to have an enforceable agreement and should update its agreement on a regular basis since the law changes from time to time. Employers can be sanctioned if they file frivolous lawsuits to enforce non-compete agreements that are clearly overbroad. The attorneys in our firm have substantial experience drafting non-compete agreements and litigating non-compete cases, both for employers and for employees. We can also help our clients resolve non-compete disputes without going to court, which can benefit both sides at the end of the day. If you would like to have a non-compete agreement reviewed, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can reach us at 703-273-1400, and our website is www.gross.com.